Family life is very complicated. In fact, marriage sounds a very, very lovely, lovely thing. But when we get into it, we realize the pros and cons of getting into it. But the society has almost made it mandatory for everyone to go through this experience, whether good or bad. Not only that, the problem may come with the in laws, both the sides. The problems may also come with the husband and wife themselves. And then, when the kids come, again, the same problems. In some cases, the concerned people may be deceased. Duffards, duds, brainless. On the other hand, some children, some people may be very bright performers. So we have to deal with everything. But if the mind is not good, then the whole family life gets disturbed. I have varied experience of meeting people and talking to them. And I realized that life cannot be good in this institution of marriage. For example, there was a child who was given more than 100% attention by the mother. All comforts, all money, complete backup, support. For settling down in life, in higher ambitions. For example, musician. He was taken to all musicians everywhere with car under him, mother side by side. But nothing happened. All filmy people were surrounded, which could be taken as a big boost for going ahead. But this fellow ran away from every good situation and ultimately left the dream city and hided himself in the lap of the mother who never encouraged this kind of introversion. She left him free, even without her. But he would run away and run into the house to take shelter. And as if this was not enough, when the mother felt that he should be married then if he is not getting into the high ambitions, then she worked for him all kind of good proposals and he was highly sought after, just as the mother was. But what kind of helplessness was inside his mind that he could not connect with the good people, and ultimately he he what to say, he started throwing his weight on a girl who was a cheater in the society. Many people do it. Many rishis and munis have done it. Many boys, many men, they run into prostitutes because these people have the techniques of enticing a simple person. It's not only with the men, it's also with the women. They also fall in love blindly for a villain kind of man who will never give permanent happiness in running a family. So I really wonder what kind of psychology is this? What are the forces around such people that they leave all wisdom and put everyone in dock for grabbing the shits of the society? What do you think, guys?